They say the true test of a relationship is traveling together. But what about traveling with your boyfriend and a group of his college friends?
Let Pluto tell you.
And their spouses. And their kids. Wow, I don't know if I'm ready for this. Hey everyone, Pluto here. And today I'm joining Oat for an epic reunion adventure. We've rented a villa large enough for the entire group of 25 people. Located near Khao Yai National Park, it is only about an hour and a half drive from where we live, so getting there was a breeze. Once we arrived, the real adventure was about to begin. Let me introduce you to the crew. There's Chang with his wife, Nut, and their two kids, Khao Yai and Dang Tai. Anek and Mai with Mild and Mill. Canuck's family including Picky, Nua, and another member we forgot the name, sorry. Next we have Jieb bringing the whole squad, her husband Eddie, her mom, her sister Jam, and two nieces Jam Kwan and Jam Jai. Then, just when we thought the house was full, Luke Me and his wife rolled in later with their three kids, Moo, Mim, and Kitty. It was loud, it was chaotic, but the whole place was filled with merriment and laughter. With 6 bedrooms and each one having its own bathroom, this place is massive. It also features an indoor kitchen as well as an outdoor kitchen with dining areas everywhere. For the kids and the kids at heart, there's a pool table, ping pong, air hockey, a small trampoline, and a pool with a slide that saw a lot of action. Oh, and my personal favorite, a rooftop deck offering gorgeous views of the surrounding mountains. Absolutely beautiful. If I had to summarize the itinerary, it was basically cook, eat, swim, repeat. The kitchens were running non-stop. We had inside cooking prep, outside grilling, and an outdoor dinner feast. Watching everyone pitch in, pass plates, and share food gave us all such a deep sense of camaraderie. The kids were splashing in the pool, while the adults took turns showing off on the slide. Safe to say, gravity works differently when you're over 50 kilograms. As the sun went down, the dynamic shifted. Inside, it was a kid's paradise. Board games scattered on the floor, foam arrows flying through the air, and eventually iPad, YouTube, and chill mode. Outside, the adults settled in. Drinks were flowing, and the feeling of nostalgia crept in. Hearing Oat and his friends talk all night, laughing about things they did years ago, it was really special to witness. Some friendships just never fade. The next morning came with a much slower pace. A light breakfast, some strong coffee. The ultimate challenge, getting everyone to look at the camera at the same time for the group photo. We hugged, we said our goodbyes, and the villa slowly went quiet. Before heading back to reality, Oat and I made a little detour just for the two of us. We stopped at a favorite cafe for a quick coffee. Walking around the shady, quiet grounds was the perfect way to decompress and reflect on the past weekend. It was loud, full of life, and packed with so many memories. And now, sitting here with Oat, we wouldn't have had it any other way. Be sure to watch for my next adventure, and until then, never stop tasting the world.